Hello guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel with Kingsley Collins Skater. It's been a while. I did post a video for some personal reasons that I'm not going to be explaining in this video. So for that reason, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make celebrity thumbnail, popular YouTubers thumbnail. As content creators, your thumbnail is the queen, is the marketer. It's what makes people click on your video. So if you're interested in knowing how to design your own personal thumbnail, please keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe and to like this video. Whenever I search on YouTube on how to design popular YouTubers thumbnail, I get to find out that it is only taught on how to design it on your iPhone. I have never seen a content creator teaching it on how you can design it on your Android phone. So that is what I'm going to be doing in this video. I'm going to be guiding you on how you can design popular and celebrity YouTubers thumbnail. Just quick easy step. All you just have to do is to take a look at what I am doing and then go through it, and I believe that at the end of this video you'll be able to do better. As beginners, YouTubers, whenever you do these things yourself, you get to get better at it, and you also reduce your expenses. Instead of paying a graphic designer to do this for you, you can actually use your Android phone to get great good results. To get the stroke that will be appearing on our two beautiful ladies, all you just have to do is to search on stroke and click on it, and the white stroke is going to pop out. Sometimes if you click on the stroke, other colors as black, yellow, etc. might show up. So all you just have to do is to select the color of your choice and change it to white, and reduce or increase the size of the stroke to your desired choice. Preferably I want mine to be this way, so it's perfect. Then next you go ahead to add your text, which is very important. You can actually write your text from Pixellab itself, or you go and to Canva and write, then remove the background and also make use of it. That is, if you don't like any font here and you want other font, you can actually make use of Canva to do that. So as you can see, there are so many fonts, so many beautiful fonts here on Pixellab. But if you don't want any of these fonts, you can go ahead and select your own desired font on Canva, and I promise you are going to get great results too. Like the image of the girls, the beautiful elements I'll be using to design my work is actually gotten from Canva. You've just go to the app and search for your desired pictures. If you don't want to make use of your own personal picture on your design, so you can actually do that and remove the background. The app that I'm using for this design is Pixellab. So many people don't actually know this. You don't really need iPhone to get this beautiful stroke all over your timeline. You can actually make use of your smartphone, your Android phone to get this. Using Pixellab. So you can just go ahead and also make use of Canva to add more beauty to your design if you want. But it's not necessary you make use of Canva. You can actually use just Pixellab to get this beautiful design because Pixellab is a great app, and it's much more inexpensive than Canva, because you can actually design on Pixellab for free without using purchasing data. You can design on Pixellab and actually download your thumbnail for free. Just go ahead and do so. So yeah, I'm actually changing, adding background to my text. I want my text to be eye catchy. I want it to be bold. I want it to also gain attention by my viewers. So by the people that will be coming across my timeline. So that is why I am going to be adding background to it. I went ahead to brighten the color, to enhance the color. But if you don't want to make use of background, it's totally fine. You can go ahead to add your text in different style of your choice. This is actually the way I prefer mine to be. What you just have to do is try and to be creative, you know, just think of ideas. What is going to make my thumbnail to be beautiful? What is going to make my, thumbnail to gain the attention of, future viewers? Please like this video if you haven't done so. Also leave a comment for me on the comment section. Please also share this video if it's really helpful to you. So I'm going to go further and remove the stroke. Since I don't want to be making use of the color black anymore, so I'll just go ahead and change the color of my text. If you want to know how I actually remove the background of my image, because actually I downloaded all this stuff from Canva, um but because I'm not using the free version of Canva, it's very difficult for me to download my image with a transparent background. So if you want to learn how to remove your image background for free, please let me know on the comment section. Finally, you can go ahead to save your image to your phone gallery. Let me know what kind of videos you want to see in the future in the comment section. Thanks for watching.